What if I told you that just one single referral could put $250 directly into your pocket? Most people are fighting over $2 commissions on low affiliate programs, but today I'm going to show you massive and fair advantage in the TikTok shop space. This is FastMoss, and they are currently paying out huge commissions for their global partners. In this video, I'm giving you step-by-step blueprint to get approved and start tapping into these $250 payout today, okay? The link of FastMoss affiliates will be in my video description, guys. Once you click on the link, it's gonna take you guys to this page, and as you guys can see here, you can even calculate your earnings, okay? You can earn $250 for every one single customer who will come from your affiliate link, okay? You guys can see here for just two people, okay? You guys can see for two customers it's $500, and for four customers it's $1,000, okay? They are really paying good commissions, guys. This is, I never seen an affiliate marketing program that is paying like those commissions, guys. It's very high, okay? So once you guys click on the link, like I said, it's gonna take you to this page. You just need to scroll down so you can get here all the info about FastMoss affiliate. And being a FastMoss affiliate partner is a great way for content creators, bloggers, and even agencies to earn by helping TikTok shop sellers find the tools they need to grow. Your role is simple: share FastMoss with your network or through your content, and you will earn at least a 15% recurring commissions for an entire year. You can promote it anywhere from community groups and social media to your own blog or like Reddit and Quora and more. It's highly trusted program with over 2,000 affiliates already on board, and because they have a community of over 2 million users, you know the demand is real. Plus, you will never have to worry about getting paid. They offer a guaranteed fast payout on the 10th of every month, okay? And to sign up, guys, it's super easy and simple. So just come to your FastMoss account like this, to this page. Just keep scrolling down, okay? And keep scrolling down more. You can also, guys, you can check the people who already sign up to FastMoss affiliates and their feedback here. They are very happy with this, and they are very happy as you guys can see here. So you can scroll more, like I said, until you see this one, guys. Start your application, and as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your social media links that you will use to promote FastMoss, okay, and the number of followers you have here, and your email address. Then you will get a verification code that will be sent to your email address to verify your email, okay. Then you will scroll down, and here you can put your promo code you want to use, okay. Once you finish sign up process, you can make it in less than 2 minutes. Super easy and simple. Once you finish putting all your info here, just click on submit application, okay, and your application will review it within 24 hours, and you will get an email about your application, okay. That's how you can sign up, guys, to FastMoss affiliate program. And once you get approved, then you can go and start promoting FastMoss on TikTok to start making those crazy commissions that they are paying, okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.